Hello everyone and welcome to another video on our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to connect MailChimp to your Shopify store. In this video, we're going to show you all the steps that you will need to follow to connect MailChimp to your Shopify store. We're going to show you how to do that. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so it's beginner friendly as well. Now let's begin. First things first, let's first see what exactly is MailChimp. It is the platform that will help you have all your emails in one place. So no matter if you're using it for your personal purposes, like to keep in touch with your family, friends, or whatever it is, or you have a business and you have plenty of people to keep in touch with, then you can use MailChimp for that, for running your business, for inviting people to different projects or whatever it is. Or if you have an online store like something on Shopify, then you can use MailChimp to create newsletters for your subscribers or followers or shop or customers. So that's exactly why you would use MailChimp. Now to integrate this to your Shopify store, first of all, you need an account on Shopify, which is really simple to make. You can use your email address or even your Google account. And once that is done, you can end up in this space, which is the dashboard. And then you will need to confirm that you have an online store by going to online store under sales channels. So we do currently have an online store. Now MailChimp is something that you can join for free. And if you click on sign up, then you've got the options of different plans, but we're just going to stick to the free plan over here. And that's what we're going for in this video. Now, you will need to give in your business email, username, and password. So let's give in our email over here and username as well and give a password and click on sign up. After giving in all your details and signing up on MailChimp, you will be asked to verify your email to activate your account. So go to your email. And here is the email. So you'll have this button that says activate account. You need to click on it. And then the next step is the account setup process on MailChimp. So give in your first name and your last name, and then give in your business name and your phone number, which is recommended. You don't need to necessarily give that. We'll click on next. The next step is to give in your address. Now, this again is optional over here, but you can give the other details and then click on next. Now, the next question it'll ask you is, what's your top goal with MailChimp? And I'm going to select grow my list of email subscribers. Then click on next. And it'll ask you, what do you want to explore first? I will select email here and click on next. How many email contacts do you have? You can actually skip all of this, but I'm just going to take you through all these steps because, as I said, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can connect your MailChimp to your Shopify. The next question is, how do you sell to your customers? So I'm going to choose own website or online store and then click on next. Now here you will need to give your website URL. You can do it here or also you can do it later. So this part I'm going to skip, and we have completed the account setup process. We are continuing with the free plan. So click on continue free and then give it some time to do all these steps. Once these steps are done, you will be redirected to what is called your dashboard on MailChimp. This is your MailChimp account. So you have all these options over here: campaigns, automations, audience, analytics, website, content, and integrations. Now, since this video is about how to connect MailChimp to your Shopify account, we need to go to the section on the left side that says integrations. So click on integrations. And here you've got three options in the center. We are going to click on Shopify because that's what we're here to do. We're going to connect our MailChimp account to Shopify. So click on Shopify and then you will need to click on Get Started. Now, before you do this, make sure you are logged into your Shopify account in the same browser window. Click on Get Started and it'll take you to Shopify's App Store. And this is the page for MailChimp. Click on Add App and you need to choose your account. And it'll take you to this page where you need to click on Install App. So it's basically connecting your store to MailChimp. Give it a few seconds to do that. So now you have connected both the applications. Now you need to log into your MailChimp account. So give in your username and your password and click on Login. And on this screen over here, you will need to scroll down and click on Allow. So basically, you're allowing or authorizing MailChimp to access your Shopify account. And once that is done, your Shopify account will just refresh itself. And now you can see that it has been authorized. This MailChimp account has been authorized. Now, what we need to do over here is syncing the store's data. And that will take this whole connecting thing further. So just click on Sync Now. And once that is done, you will see this screen that says Welcome to MailChimp. You can continue to MailChimp. It will open on MailChimp, or you can continue here itself. You have these different tabs like Audience Stats, where you will see the stats of your audience. And then you have promo codes. If there is currently something active, then you will see it here. Then there is Tag Manager, where you can sort out your subscribers by using tags, which is something I'm going to show you in some time, so keep watching. Then there is tags and groups. We have nothing right now here. And then there is settings. Now let's go to our MailChimp, and we need to see how the audience thing works. So here is your audience. And over here you will find all your audiences. So let's go to All Contacts. And underneath Add Contacts, so this is currently me. If I want to add a contact over here, I'll need to go to Add Contacts right over here and click on Add a Subscriber. And now we are going to add a subscriber. So we will need an email address for that. And you can give the first name, last name, address, phone number, whatever it is. And you can create tags. So I'm going to create a tag over here. Okay, and that has been created. So I've tagged this user with the tag top, and then you need to click on these two and click on subscribe, and you can see that it has been added. And once you have added the person to your subscriber list, like to your contacts on MailChimp, you can go to view profile, and you can view the profile of this subscriber over here, and you can see that you have tagged them as top. So now that we have added the contact, let's go to Shopify and just refresh this page. And under Tag Mapper, and I'm going to add that same tag over here. So I'm just going to add top and add it over here. So whatever tags are added to this section, all those contacts with the tag, it will be synced with your MailChimp audience. And if you go to your all contacts in your MailChimp, then you can see that there are now 2 contacts. So this is how you can add contacts to your MailChimp. And since you're adding it to your MailChimp, it will automatically be also there for your Shopify account because you have synced or connected both of them. That brings this video to an end. We truly hope it was beneficial to you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll catch you soon in our next one. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.